Who are you? What do you want from me? To do what?
Oh, I've been married a long time.
Wait, did you just say cute? Can I come closer? You can see me. Oh my, you're so adorable.
So you want to chat with?
So you'll stay with me forever, right? Promise, okay?
In time.
Jay's doing now. Selfies. I do love selfies, especially the new ones. I miss you, babe. Can you send me a selfie? Spidey.
Where should I put it then?
Hands, Quinn. I'd much rather watch us
With your girlfriend.
I stood there naked, facing my worst bullies as they got ready to go